I'd like to present a short video and instructions on how to submit your homework for the assignments that we'll be going through this semester. And so the first thing you're going to be doing is accessing the AMS real-time portal. You can find that link on the content page of the Blackboard. And that'll take you to the login screen where you enter the user ID of IPFW298. Password is Supercell *15, and that brings you to the front page of the AMS real-time weather portal. Now for exercises 13A and 13B, which are already posted on Blackboard for you, you'll access those from the link right here for chapter 13, 14, and 15 current weather studies. So if we select that link, it'll bring us to each of those exercises. So if we wanted to complete exercise 13A, I'll use that as the example. I'll open that link up. You can see it's a PDF file of the exercise itself. What you want to do is follow the instructions at the top, which is print off this information and then answer the questions using the images and links provided. So once you print that off, you'll complete the exercise. So for question 1, top panel of the meteogram portrays air temperatures and dew points in degrees Fahrenheit according to the scale at either side. Temperatures reached a maximum value of 70, 80, or 90 degrees at about 2300 UTC on the 22nd. And so we'd simply reference this meteogram. We'd find the date and the time along here on the bottom. And so we're looking for 2300 hours on the 22nd. And so the date is the first 2 digits, that's the 22. And so 2300 hours is going to be right about here. We can see that that's when the temperature peaked, which is the red line right there. And that answer would be 90 degrees. So there's a freebie for you. And you'll do the same thing with the remaining questions. So once you've completed that exercise, then you're ready to actually submit the answers on Blackboard. And so what you'll be doing is going back to the front page of Blackboard here, and you'll select Current Weather Studies 13A. Once you click on that link, I recommend you just use the answer form that I provide for you. You can also use the text submission right here and select that link to simply manually type in your answers. But if you click on this link, it'll actually open up the answer form for you. And you'll simply delete the wrong answers and save the right one. So I gave you the first one of 90 degrees. You can answer the remaining 6 questions. Once you've done so, you save the file, whatever location on your desktop or laptop you'd like to. You might just want to change the name from the answer form to this is the answers for myself. So we'll just put Logsd in there and hit save. So now I have that file saved. So now you can attach that file now that you've completed it. So you click on the Browse My Computer button. You go to wherever you might have saved it. In this case, saved it in my Downloads file. And there's my Current Weather Studies 13A answers for Logsdon. Open that up. You can see it's now attached to there. And then you simply hit the Submit button. And that's how you will submit your answers. Gives you a preview of the assignment that you're uploading, and you'll continue on as that. The one thing I would caution you against is using the answer forms that they provide. So you can see that there's an investigation in CWS 13A answer form. If you select that link, it'll come up with an answer form that not only contains the answers that you'll be submitting, which is just the current weather studies answers shown here, but it also gives you answers to select from for the investigations manual and the applications section of the investigations manual. So keep in mind your homework assignments consist solely of the current weather studies answers. And so again, I'd simply recommend that you use the answer form that I've attached in each exercise and use that to submit your answers. Hope this helps out, and please send me an email and let me know if you have any questions.